Good morning. Happy Sunday. James Royal XRP. I'm going to try to make this video as clear as possible. I'm a little under the weather, scratchy throat, sinuses, all that crazy stuff. And it always happens right before I go on a trip. I'll be going to Vegas, headed out Wednesday. But I'll tell you what, I'm going to be good. I'm going to go see the doc in the morning, get me a steroid shot, maybe get me a Z-Pack, knock out this infection, and hopefully we'll be rocking and rolling by the time I get to Vegas. But I have some really exciting news today. There's some Ripple news. There's some Subway news. There's some XRP wallet news. Always switch it up a little bit. I don't show you videos all day. I don't tell you about this and that. I do tell you about my sponsors. And I tell you what, one of my main sponsors before I get started in the video is Uphold. And Uphold gives you a chance to invest in many different digital assets as well as staking rewards. They also allow you to put your token or put your ecosystem on top of the platform. Asset services, Treasury, you can list your token on the platform. As you can see right here, Debit is already available. You have COS, you have SWE is now on Uphold. And you can also have liquidity services. So check it out. Click on the link below, sign up, and tell them James Royal XRP sent you by. And like I said, I apologize again. If I cough on you, I apologize. Let's take a quick look at numbers, quick look at news, and I'll be done for the day. Total crypto market is 2.68 trillion, up 0.5%. Bitcoin is 78,000 plus. Ethereum is 2,300 plus. XRP, we're hanging it. I love you. 143, baby. Do your research. Let's go ahead and get into it. So I was looking at all the XRP wallets this morning, and people were saying, well, there's many people who have multiple XRP wallets, blah, 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 all that stuff. I'm just giving you some numbers here, which kind of gives you a better perspective of how small we are, how many people do not have XRP. Out of 7,809,000 XRP wallets, only 331,704 hold over 10,000 XRP. I repeat, out of almost 8 million XRP wallets, only about a third of a million hold over 10,000 XRP. And if we look at this visualization here, I had Grok spit this out for me. Only 0.004% of the world holds 10,000 or more XRP. 8.3 billion people worldwide, 331,000 people or wallets hold over 10,000 XRP. That is 1 in every 25,000 people around the world hold 10,000 or more XRP. 1 in 25,000 people hold 10,000 or more XRP. This is rich-list.info. It gives you the breakdown. It gives you a search. If you come in here and you search and you put in the number 10,000, say you have 10,000 XRP, you're going to search the ranking. It's going to show you you're on the 4.2% range. You're number 331,000 out of 7.8 billion. It shows your input. It shows your combined ranking. Okay, let's say you had 100,000 XRP. Where's that going to put you? Well, that's going to put you at the 4.41 percentile range. You're 32,000 out of almost 8 million. It ranks you. And even if you have maybe 1,000 XRP, you still have a lot more than a lot of people out there. So you're still in the 14 percentile range. If you have 1,000 XRP, you're 1 million of 7.8 million. So, it's really exciting to know how early we still are. And there's so many people out there that are like, oh man, I bought, 500 XRP. I bought 5,000. It's not doing anything. I'm thinking about selling it. Well, hold on to your cookies, people. Ripple Treasury has partnered up with Subway. I repeat, Ripple Treasury has partnered up with the $5 footlong Subway. And I don't know if they're $5 anymore. I haven't been to Subway in so long, but this is really cool. It says this is a success story. Ripple Treasury, powered by G Treasury, that was Taken over by Ripple. Ripple acquired G Treasury. It's now Ripple Treasury. It says Subway is a global quick service restaurant brand with nearly 37,000 restaurants across 100 countries. Founded over 50 years ago, Subway operates on a franchise model with small business owners delivering freshly made to order sandwiches, wraps, salads, and bowls. As one of the world's largest multinational restaurant franchises, Subway serves millions of guests every day with guiding principles of exceptional service, high quality option at great value, and continuous improvement. And it shows you the facts and figures, the cash, the payments automated, the transactions per year, 400,000 transactions completed per year. It shows the challenges that Subway has, and it shows the solution with Ripple Treasury. It says that Ripple Treasury provided Subway with a comprehensive solution for treasury transformation, leveraging Ripple's Treasury's unified platform and wide-ranging models encompassing cash management, forecasting, payments, extensive bank connectivity, and risk management. Subway recognized the potential to modernize its treasury operations. Subway's selection of Ripple Treasury stemmed from its tailored approach to client relationships, offering customized support along with hands-on training and implementation. Subway identified Ripple Treasury as a strategic partner poised for collaborative growth. This is the VP of Treasury with Subway. He had something to say. It shows all the benefits. It breaks down the key takeaways, the conclusion, all the above. Is exciting, people. I mean, there's so many exciting things happening out there. And if I'm not mistaken, I did a visualization of it, but oh well, let's move on. On-chain. The cross-chain capabilities between Cardano, which is ADA, and XRPO, which is XRP, RLUSD, and all the above, just got a massive boost. RLUSD is now supported on the on-chain bridge with routes between the XRP ledger, Cardano, Ethereum, and on-chain. Experience cross-chain excellence today with RLUSD. Bridge.onechain.org. OneChain, I will leave a link to everything below. And finally, I want to leave you with this. You know, I always talk about the scam, and I'm sorry my voice is breaking up. I'll be better in a couple of days, I promise. Scammers are always trying to rush you into doing something you don't need to do. Excuse me. I'm so sorry. We're just going one and done on this. This is an email I received, post-quantum security patch, and they want you to go in here and they want you to update your Ledger wallet, and they want you to click on the link and install firmware 2.4.1, validate your wallet seed phrases so they can copy your wallets and steal all your crypto, people. Do not let this happen. Do not trust an email. This is the email, the scammer's email address, info@m.thebatteryphl.com. It is not ledger.com. They're trying to take your money. They're trying to take your crypto. Have a good one. I'm going to go get me a shot. James is out of here. Don't forget, I told you so.